Namaskar. To make curry of leaves, I took beans, curry leaves, pieces of garlic, pieces of ginger, pieces of tomato, pieces of onion, and pieces of wet coconut. Initially, I wash all these things very well with water. Then I put wet coconut, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and onion in mixer pot to make paste. Then after putting cooker on the gas, I put some oil in it. Then in hot oil I put cumin, mustard and turmeric powder in it. Then I waited for some time to get all these things fried well. After some time, I added curry leaves in oil. Then, after some time, I added the paste in it, and then I mixed all these things very well for some time. After mixing all these things, I added beans in it, and again I mix all these things very well. Then I added chili powder in it. I added chili powder according to the taste. Then after some time I added salt according to the taste. Then I added crushed groundnuts, and again I mixed all these things well. Then I added some water to get beans cooked. Then I put the lid of the cooker to cook beans. I waited for 6 whistles of the cooker. Curry of beans is ready. I added coriander in it.